Learning English can be difficult. You need to study grammar, learn vocabulary, improve pronunciation, and practice speaking. Sometimes you may not know where to start or who to ask. But now, with AI tools like ChatGPT, learning English becomes easier, more fun, and more personal. Let me tell you how ChatGPT can help you learn English every day. 1. Chat anytime, anywhere. You don't need to wait for class. You don't need a teacher sitting next to you. With ChatGPT, you can practice English anytime and anywhere. You just type a message, ask a question, and ChatGPT answers you in English. It's like having a teacher in your pocket. 2. Practice conversations. One of the best ways to improve English is by talking. ChatGPT helps you practice real conversations. You can choose topics like travel, food, school, work, or hobbies. You type what you want to say, and ChatGPT replies like a real person. This helps you learn new phrases and build confidence. 3. Learn vocabulary and phrases. If you don't know a word, just ask. For example, what does breathtaking mean? Can you give me 3 sentences using although? ChatGPT will explain the meaning, give examples, and even help you use it correctly. You can also ask for synonyms, opposites, or idioms. 4. Check grammar and writing. Do you write emails, essays, or homework in English? ChatGPT can help you check grammar, fix mistakes, and make your writing better. You can type something like, "Can you correct this sentence for me? Is this sentence formal or informal?" ChatGPT will explain your mistakes clearly so you can learn and improve. 5. Explain grammar in a simple way. English grammar can be confusing, but ChatGPT can explain grammar rules step by step in a way that is easy to understand. Whether it's tenses, prepositions, or conditionals, you can ask, what is the difference between past simple and present perfect? How do I use used to in a sentence? You will get a short, clear answer that helps you remember. 6. Prepare for exams. If you're studying for IELTS, TOEIC, or TOEFL, ChatGPT can help you practice speaking, writing, and reading. You can do mock tests, write essays, or answer speaking questions and get instant feedback. 7. Make learning fun. You can also ask ChatGPT to tell you a short English story, make a vocabulary quiz, create flashcards, teach you a song or joke in English. Learning doesn't have to be boring. You can learn English through things you enjoy. 8. Personal learning style. Everyone learns differently. ChatGPT lets you choose how you want to learn. You can ask for slow explanations, practice one grammar point at a time, or even learn English through your favorite topics like anime, cooking, or football. ChatGPT is not a real teacher, but it is a great learning partner. It doesn't judge, doesn't get tired, and is always ready to help you. The most important thing is, you are in control of your learning. If you use ChatGPT every day, even just 10 to 15 minutes, your English will slowly get better. You will feel more confident and enjoy the process. So, why not try it today? ChatGPT is here. Your English journey just got easier.